My name is Harry Freitas. I'm the director of the Roads and Airports Department here in Santa Clara County. We maintain 600 miles of roads, including 60 miles of expressways, and 2 general aviation airports here in the county. We operate 600 miles of roads, everything from mountain roads, country roads, subdivisions, and urban expressways. As part of that operation, we maintain, pave, stripe, light, and perform landscaping and maintenance. In terms of maintenance, we resurface all of our roads every 7 years. That includes an overlay of the pavement, and then we replace the striping, we improve the signage, and add mobility ramps. Santa Clara County is unique in the state of California in that we operate an urban expressway system. Those 8 expressways carry 1.5 million vehicles a day, and we optimize the traffic flow using a state-of-the-art traffic operations center. Those 8 expressways are a key driver of the county's economic engine.
My name is Anat Prasad. I'm the Deputy Director of Road and Signal Operations Division. We maintain the county expressways. In order to manage the expressways with high volume of traffic it has, we employ leverage technology such as intelligent transportation system. Our traffic signals are super smart and are capable of detecting motor vehicles, pedestrians, and bicycles across the network. With all the information that's coming into our central hub here, we are able to process that information and determine what is the suitable cycle length for traffic on certain sections of the expressway. We are on call 24/7 in order to maintain our roadways. So if there are any emergencies, road maintenance workers as well as traffic signal technicians are on call to handle these emergencies, especially during storms where we may have clogged drains, we may have a situation with downed trees or a broken traffic signal. With all these, we are there 24/7 to make sure that our roadways are open and also safe for the public to use our roadways.
My name is Chris Lamb. I'm the Deputy Director of Infrastructure Development. In addition to maintaining county roads, the county roads team also does capital improvement projects to maintain and improve aging infrastructure. We resurface our roads and expressways, build new bridges, and improve our traffic signal systems. We also are still making improvements and permanent repairs to storm damage from the 2023 winter storms. Our land development team also issues permits for work and activities along our county roads. We work closely with utility companies to permit activities in their efforts to improve and maintain their infrastructure. Performing these improvements for the benefit of Santa Clara County residents and businesses is a huge passion of mine and for everyone in the Roads and Airports Department.
We can't do this alone. We need your help. If you see anything on our roadway that needs our attention, please go to our website and then click on the service request page and let us know through that. If you download the Mobile Citizen app, you can actually send us pictures of what it is. It comes to our maintenance division directly, and then people respond to it as soon as possible. So in order to learn more about this, you can go to our website at roads.santaclaracounty.gov.